Hello, everybody. My name is Alex, and today we're going to be trading again, like we do every day. Um, yeah, I'm just looking through some notifications here on my Facebook. So the pound, our pound curve, car, our pound curve long is open. That's kind of cool. We were up, I don't know, like 60 some points today, earlier in the day. Now we're not up all those points. We're only up a few. But, oops. If you trade like me, you're up by 1% right now. So I checked the profit margin. This would be like a 5% trade, assuming it hits the profit target. Some interesting things to look at this would be if you go to your 60. Let's see. Type in your RSI, and then you zoom out. You'll notice that it is diverging. Start from like there. Go to current price. So that's kind of a reversal sign that it's going to reverse soon. A little odds enhancer. I've been looking at some of that stuff lately to see if I can incorporate it in my own trading, my own methods of doing stuff. So this trade is still going to be just a coulda, shoulda, woulda won. Our first profit target's before that, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, so that's the pound. That is the pound. Moving on to the euro. Not really a whole lot happening. Just waiting for it to retrace and or come into our demand zone here and react accordingly. Just making sure I took those trades. I guess I could just look at my spreadsheet right there on my other monitor. But yeah, so we're still in this move right here. So we're still in this range. Just doing what we do best, waiting for the opportunities to play. That's why the short's still valid, and this wouldn't be a downtrend or a counter trend. It's been kind of the hot topic lately. The Aussie dollar just keeps falling away, and it has really weird ass looking demand zone, so I'm not really going to look at it. Let's see what we got here in New Zealand dollar. We have 5985. It's the same. Put a nice yellow box here to indicate anything in there. It's just in the range. Let's actually see this here. So we had this. This would have been an opportunity, or even just the top one would have been an opportunity. Would have been a nice little trade. Not quite going to what would be maybe the second target yet, though. We do have the 240 level there. Still good to go. Both of them. Let's see what the dollar CAD is going to give us today. More upward strength. See, see this zone right here, this big ass like weird looking shit. That worked. I thought this was going to be a decent zone, which it was, but this is the one that ended up working. But for us, or for me at least, the profit margin is just not there to take it. So there we go. We can still take longs up into the curve short area there. If you want, it is getting a little close for me, so I'm not going to take it. Plus, I don't think there was any opportunities when we look. Let's double check. Yeah, I mean, it's just shitty basing all the way up. So we'll see what happens with the CAD, or the dollar CAD. Oh boy. So yep, still just chilling in our yellow box there. No real change. I'm not going to draw all these little areas here because once it decides to break through the bottom or through the top, it's just going to get its own, like that'll all just be like one box. So if it went like this, it would just all be one box. because this is the impulse move. This would all be corrective, and then this would be the next impulse move. So that's kind of the logic on that. I think that's going to substantially help our trade, or my trading at least. Is the dollar yen, that woulda, shoulda, coulda trade worked, or that previous trade, whatever the fuck it was. I don't know why I picked that. Oh yeah, it was a woulda, coulda, shoulda because it was already basically tested all the way through. It would have been a pretty nice setup though. I got this. These should all actually be coulda, shoulda, wouldas because these are trading counter trend, but they just look so damn good. But I'm just leaving those there. Let's go to the euro yen. Oh, we didn't get to the euro yen, or probably not the euro Aussie either, or the euro CAD, or the pound CAD, or the pound Aussie. So we can go ahead, I guess, and finish up these. Like I said, if you didn't see the other video, I just didn't do them all because for time's sake. As much as I love trading, I don't want to be looking at my computer for like fucking 4 hours going through trade setups. You know, you gotta have a life. So we can go ahead and set these up now, though. Looks like that would be the next level. Look that. If that fails, let's take this as a level on level, and then if that fails, we have this level for our daily. Daily demand is working. I'm gonna look back to find if some backup demand right now. So let's do this. I know it's not a real breakout level, but it's like close enough. Otherwise, it's gonna be down here. But you can see that everything down there has been taken. Oops. Okay. Not really anything. Maybe this. These tend to work pretty well. It's kind of like engulfing, like reverse engulfing kind of thing. I don't know what to call it. Those can work. We do have a pretty decent area here on the 240 for sure. Like I would say that that's a really good level, and it worked, obviously. So that would have been a really good. I think that was last week actually. That worked. Because remember, like a lot of the yen pairs were working pretty well. Oops. So let's go back to the euro yen. Find a trend if we can. I mean, not really. Not really a trend. It was a downtrend. Now it's like an uptrend, kind of. Well, yeah, it broke out of that. So, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's just definitely a fucking wacky ass trend. It's just going sideways, up, down, and fucking circles. So, not really anything there. I don't trade ranges personally, not because I'm better than people who do, but it's just my personal preference. I want to have like an idea of where price is going, not like, ooh, it could go higher and it also could go lower. I try to like get rid of as much of that as I possibly can. And by not trading ranging markets is how I managed to do that. Maybe not ranging, but sideways, because I do take certain kinds of trades. Honestly, he's been getting shit smoked lately. This would be a level. You consider that, all of that. Let's be the daily levels. I got a feeling on this trend, it's just going to be a fucking madhouse. Guess it's not. It's not that bad, actually. Definitely not as bad as I thought it was going to be. As far as tradable levels, maybe this one. I would say that's tradable, assuming you can get your profit margin. Oh yeah, you can definitely get a 1 to 4 out of that. I mean, not that like the trade. You have the opportunity to get 1 to 4 out of that if you follow my rules. I should say that. Like, does not mean you're gonna get fucking 4 to 1 or 5 to 1, wherever it was. All right. Speaking of which, we gotta find our curve trades. Count this as the breakout, I guess. All right, so we do have a little bit of opportunity here, I guess. Could take that as a trade. This more like just this whole ass level right here. Yeah, that's kind of what that's looking like for now. I'm not gonna take those. I just don't really like them. There's not profit margin there that I like to see. So for me, it's a no-go. See what we got for the longs. A couple little areas right here. Euro CAD. Ugh. Alright, so this is the breakout right here. The big ass move. As you can see, it worked, and then it failed. And then it kept failing. You know, you definitely could have caught, like, if you caught the bottom. 660 point trade, it definitely worked for a little bit. But that would be the breakout, and it eventually did. So this would be like the range trade short kind of idea on the weekly, if you're using weekly charts. As far as demand goes, I think I'm only gonna shoot for the. It's hard for me to take these because I think that like that's in a kind of like not a basing candle because it didn't close inside the previous. So it's part of like it did base for a day, but it did continue to go. You know, so I can't count that as part of like the move. All right. So next will be curve trades. Oh, this would be the breakout. because it would look like that, because this trading is inside of this move. Too many candles for my taste. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like, oh yeah, 9 candles. But this could be the area, and then use this move as the profit target. That'll get you your points. 38 to 150, so like almost 1 to 5. I should take that one. If it's anything like the euro yen or whatever, it'd be a pretty solid trade. But I think I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna do the trend quick. I have an uptrend here. The only problem is you got this big ass move right here. Starts like right there. So all this is trading inside of that move. So I would call it still an uptrending market. So yeah, if you want to take this trade, I don't know. I've never really liked taking these. But we'll stop below that for sure. Stop somewhere down there. I don't know why. It's just like really obvious. You know, I don't know. It fits all the rules, except that it's high on the curve. It hasn't touched the 240 supply yet. Oh my god. This coronavirus shit is out of control, dude. Just when you want to like get out of the army and do your own thing, they fucking they just keep moving shit for no reason. It's like, yeah, people get sick. Anyways, moving on. Pound CAD. Holy shit. Right? Okay. I'll take this level. My curve trade setup started. Okay. Breakout. Curve shorts here. I mean, I'm not going to take that. There's no way. This would probably be an opportunity. Just could take that. I go hunt for the short. And right there. That's probably something to be looking at. Maybe that as well. Probably take this whole thing as like a level on level though. Things to be watching for. Get your big ass move, your impulse move, as some people like to call it. Breakout. Something like that. So this is the kind of pattern where like the market's getting bigger. It's like a foghorn kind of. Trying to connect these lines. Somehow, doing that kind of thing. See if we can get any trades out of this. Not quite like that. At least for me. The next place to look would be above there. Probably take that as a level on level. Seven, 7, 7. Stop above that. There's some trades I could maybe look at. Maybe I'll take a look at them later, see if I want to take them. I'm just kind of getting these set up right now. Oh, the pound Aussie is doing some dumb shit like it's always doing. Probably something like that. Big ass zone there. Confusing times. Confusing times. Oh, look at this stretch. Oh, it feels good. Alright, so this is all kinds of fucked up right now, actually. Like, look, this market's not doing a damn thing. Then, like, what is going on here? Like, what? Oh, God. Kind of a mess. Yeah, so not really any trend there. No sense of direction. Unless you're trading on the higher time frames like the daily, then it's kind of pretty much going up. But for the shorter term, 60-minute levels, no. It's going sideways as fuck. Let's actually come out of here. I think 9827 is lower than 9828, so that's correct. Yeah, so there we go. That's basically it. We're just in a pound. Check that out. We're up 1.29%. We had that divergence that we were talking about where the price is coming down but the RSI is going up. It's also like that on the CCI, I believe. I was looking at that too on my phone today. Profit targets are still valid. So we'll see. This is possible if you're taking it like I am, 5% trade of your account. So yeah, we'll just keep keeping an eye on the markets, see and place trades as they come. For now, 27 minutes long. Probably because I set up those last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 markets. But yeah, so we'll just keep trading as the opportunities make themselves available. Until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.